Welcome, friends of the earth. This is Crazy Dan here on the Crazy Dan channel. I'm Daniel McKenzie. I am embarking on a fix here for the Quattrismo. When I was taking the hoses off the damn radiator, one of the one of the fittings on the radiator snapped. Well, since there's no issue with the radiator and I don't want to spend $100+ for a new radiator, I have decided to go with the transmission cooler for about $28. This is more cooling than your existing cooling that goes through the radiator. So I'm going to bypass the radiator altogether. I'm going to put this transmission cooler in between the radiator and the air conditioning coil. Actually, no. I'm going to put it in front of the air conditioning coil. Correction. I'm going to get it in there somehow, or in here, over here. I don't know. Wherever works best. But this will provide better cooling for the transmission. Well, I will, and I like to use these kinds of clamps on my stuff. I bought these on Amazon. They're just squeeze, done. They got the proper torque. The proper whatever. As long as it's just this hair smaller than the actual hose, and when you squeeze it, it goes on there just a hair. It's the right size clamp, and you don't ever have to worry about it being loose or too tight. These are excellent clamps. I usually, when I go to the junkyard, I'll see these on a car. I will harvest them. As you can see, I got a few there, a few over there. I got some the old school twist and shout ones. I try to avoid not using those. I don't like them. I prefer these. All right, I will get back with you when this job is done. Part 1. Like, subscribe, comment, share to your friends. I really need subscribers out there, people. If you're watching the video, hey, tell a friend, we're all in this together. And be safe. Much love. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Get the fuck out of here.